Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make my fiery chicken 65 wings. These spicy wings are succulently moist and perfect for the air fryer, barbecue and grill. As always, a full list of the ingredients for this dish can be found in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. Okay, let's start by adding 500 to 750 grams of chicken wings to a bowl. Add the oil, garlic and ginger paste, massage in well. Now sprinkle over the rice flour, chilli powder, cumin powder, ground pepper, turmeric powder, salt, Kashmiri chilli powder, finely sliced curry leaves, cumin seeds, sugar, and finally the bird's eye chilli slices. Combine well and allow to marinate for around 20 minutes. It's perfectly fine to make these the day before and refrigerate until required. Just make sure everything has a nice coating of spice before you cook. When ready, heat the air fryer on 200 Celsius, add a single layer of wings and air fry for around 12 minutes, turning once halfway through cooking. It will be the same timings if using a grill or barbecue. There you have it, fantastically spicy crispy chicken 65 wings in under 15 minutes, served with slices of lemon and red onion. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.